Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify seed phrase strength with Ledger Live, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching Ledger Live on your computer or mobile device. Ensure your Ledger hardware wallet is connected and unlocked. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Look for the security tab and click on it. Find the option labeled seed phrase strength. Select this option to initiate the verification process. You will be prompted to enter your seed phrase securely. Carefully input each word of your seed phrase, ensuring accuracy. Once all words are entered, confirm your input to proceed. The application will analyze the strength of your seed phrase. It will provide feedback on the robustness and security of your phrase. If your seed phrase is deemed weak, consider generating a new one. If it's strong, you can have confidence in your security measures. Ensure to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. Always remember, your seed phrase is the key to your crypto assets. Log out of Ledger Live after completing the verification. Disconnect your hardware wallet and close the application securely. Make it a habit to verify your seed phrase periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.